Welcome to EGF Academy. I am Dr. Geetanjali. Today's topic is biodiversity hotspot. Biodiversity hotspots are the regions with high species richness and high degree of endemism. Species number is very high. For example, rainforest. In rainforest, there is very high species richness. You will get variety of species. Also high endemism. Endemism means such type of species are found here which are restricted in these regions only, and you cannot find those species anywhere else in the world. Such species are known as endemic species. So such type of places where there is high species diversity and high level of endemism, such places are called biodiversity hotspot. This term hotspot was given by Norman Myers in 1988. According to him, any geographic region can be called a biodiversity hotspot on basis of two criteria. First is there should be high plant endemism. It means the plant found there should be endemic to these places, and along with it serious level of habitat loss. It means in that forest area there should be lots of vegetation loss, because the purpose of declaring an area as a hotspot is mainly conservation. If any area has been declared as a biodiversity hotspot, then there will be more efforts for its conservation. There will be more efforts for conservation of the species. That's why this second criteria of hotspot declaring is that area should have vegetation loss. Now Conservation International has also given concept of hotspot, and it has adopted Norman Myers concept in 1996. According to Conservation International, there are two criteria for declaring any region as a biodiversity hotspot. First criteria is that 1500 species of vascular plants should be endemic in that area, or 0.5% of world's total vascular plants should be found in this area. So what are vascular plants? These are the plants who have xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem is called vascular tissue. This is xylem and phloem. Suppose this is a plant and it has xylem. Xylem transport water. Root absorbs the water, and through this xylem, the water reaches to different parts of the plant, such as leaves. Now phloem. Photosynthesis is conducted in leaves and food is formed. This phloem distributes the food in different parts of the plant. So these are xylem and phloem called vascular tissue. And the plants which have well developed xylem and phloem, they are called vascular plants. Non-vascular plants are those who don't have vascular tissues. Mostly they are found in moist area. For example, these are found in moist areas and they are very small plants. For example, moss. So the criteria of Conservation International is that 1500 species of vascular plants should be there in any area which has to be declared as biodiversity hotspot. Second criteria is that at least 70% of vegetation loss should be there. So the area should be threatened and 1500 endemic species of vascular plants is there, then that area can be declared as a biodiversity hotspot. There are 36 biodiversity hotspots in the world. You can see hotspots in this map. This is California, and here it is California Floristic Province, which is a hotspot. Then Madrian Pine Oak Woodland, Caribbean Islands, Polynesia, Micronesia, here Chile, Tropical Andes, in Asia, mountains of Central Asia, then Madagascar, Indian Ocean. Now in India, there are 4 biodiversity hotspots. First one is Western Ghat and Sri Lanka, then Himalayas, then Northeastern region and Nicobar region. These are Indian biodiversity hotspots. Now we can study them in detail. First is Himalaya. This whole region, it extends in Pakistan, in Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, then Nepal, Bhutan, Assam, Arunachal. So this is a biodiversity hotspot because several endemic species are found here. Means biodiversity is high. Second is Indo-Burma region. This entire region, this whole region is called Indo-Burma region. This includes Indian Northeast states. Apart from it, includes Southeast Asian countries, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam. Third is Western Ghat and Sri Lanka. This is Western Ghat and this Sri Lanka. This is included in biodiversity hotspot as a single zone. Then Sundaland. In Indo-Burma region, this Andaman Island is also included. In Sundaland, Nicobar Islands are included, along with Southeast Asian countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Philippines. So these are biodiversity hotspots in India. Subscribe for more informational videos. You can join our affordable courses for NEET, NET JRF and UPSC. Registration link is given in the description box.